how to cancel subscription on Wix. So let's say we just started, you just start a subscription on Wix, and now you like to cancel your subscription. So what you're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to go to the dashboard, and then we're gonna have to go to here to our profile. Click on your profile, then here account settings. And then here we're gonna see our workspaces. So just click on workspace settings. And then here in billing and subscription, just select here subscription, right? Just can enable premium subscriptions, right? And here, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see here premium subscription, and then here the subscription currently you have, and then here you're gonna see your payment method, and then if you click on the three dots right over here, you're gonna have this option cancel plan. Okay. Now another thing that you can do, you can also head over to this link, and you just click on choose plan to cancel, and this will direct you to the page that I just showed you. Okay. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description of this video of this page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more if you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.